Like you, I dig birds. In the moment, a bird sighting can be exhilarating, or it can test my skills. And I'm sometimes puzzled at how a bird that is almost completely indifferent to me can evoke deep feelings of satisfaction, or inspiration, or even wistfulness. I also like birds because they're markers in time. Markers in yet another COVID year, or even sometimes markers in my life. That sage thrasher from November is indelibly etched in my mind now. The memory of a bird can transport me in an instant to another time and place. Who was I with when I was staring at that Cadillac or that duck? Through the second year of the pandemic, through more states of emergency and lockdowns and waves and variants, and even with migration festivals reduced to effing Zoom events, the birds themselves were still here through 2021, and we could hike through our favorite hotspots. Even in the before times, you could characterize birding as a hopeful activity. Whether I was heading out to Westminster Ponds or Komoka or Rondo, I was always hopeful of seeing a target species. And I think this hopeful aspect of bird watching is even amplified a bit through COVID. My interest in birds was still a portal, of course, something that continued to lead me to other aspects of the natural world, or to conservation, or to creating something inspired by birds. I'm thankful for them. Somehow, they still created a little bit of structure and identity for me as I rolled through the last 4 seasons. Even if I strip away all of that personal reflection, birds are still cool. They fly, they struggle, they persist, and they're beautiful. There's no punchline here. I'm just looking forward to seeing more birds in the new year.
Do you know John and Marg?